The pond liner has arrived and it's time to origami it into place. So I'm just going around and squeezing the clamps onto my ring, and hopefully this square tarp will fit in a round hole. Little hard to find the center line, so just kind of go where the corners are, fold it over because you know you're not going to need that, and then go from there as to what leftovers you have on each side, and then go in here, find a crease, stand on the inside of the crease, and then with your other foot just kind of push it into the side and pull up so you have the slack up the side. I have 20 feet in one dimension, which is just enough, and then 25 in the other, which is too much, and I'll probably cut that off. But you don't want wrinkles in it like this, because I think that could crack if it gets a lot of pressure on it. So stand on this side and push it over until it's smooth. Might want to get your ladder out of the way, but you can't really do that with one person. And the first pass, I think it would have been much easier to cut it first. Apparently this tarp might be a little bit bigger than 20 by 25, because it looks like I have 6 feet left over in here, but I don't know, maybe there's I'm not really sure why. It seems like I have enough slack in here that it would take up that much space. Maybe they give me a little extra, but anyway, this is going to be kind of a hard thing to cut straight, you know, but so I'll just measure from one corner 5 feet in, and then make little marks with tape, and then shoot for the tape the whole way over to the other corner, because you can't find a straight line in this mess. But it looks like it's working. It's been about 30 minutes since I've been trying to poke this around all the edges and get the wrinkles out. So I marked from the edges 4'8", and that'll leave me 4 inches extra. And I found a seam actually at 4'8" that goes all along here, so I can just follow that seam. I'll have a little extra in case I cut wrong or they didn't cut square at the end. I still marked with tape along the seam, and I will just unfold this and cut along the seam. One thing I am worried about is mice nibbling at this liner if they get thirsty or something. I don't know what to do about that, since, you know, on the outside I just have this stuff, and if they somehow get in the middle of this layer and this layer, then they're going to want to nibble at stuff. I hope they don't nibble a hole at the bottom of the corner down here. Has any of that happened to you guys? I'm not sure how they deal with this.